Students, we know that everything in this universe is made up of matter. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, plants and animals, etc. We also know that atoms and molecules are the fundamental building blocks of matter. Now look at the stone and the water. Are they identical to one another? No, they are made up of different kinds of matter. So, the stone and the water are two different kinds of matter. This is because different kinds of matter is due to different atoms constituting them. Now, the question is, what makes the atom of one element different from the atom of another element? Are atoms really indivisible as proposed by Dalton? Or are there smaller constituents inside the atom? We shall find out the answer to these questions in this video. Charged particles in matter. For understanding the nature of charged particles in matter, let us carry out the following activities. Comb dry hair. Does the comb then attract small pieces of paper? Rub a glass rod with a silk cloth and bring the rod near an inflated balloon. Observe what happens. From these activities, we can conclude that on rubbing two objects together, they become electrically charged. Where does this charge comes from? This question can be answered by knowing that an atom is divisible and consists of charged particles. It was known by 1900 that an atom was not a simple indivisible particle, but contained at least one subatomic particle, the electron, identified by J.J. Thomson. Even before electron was identified, E. Goldstein in 1886 discovered a subatomic particle which had a charge equal in magnitude but opposite in sign to that of the electron. Its mass was approximately 2000 times as that of the electron. It was given the name proton. In general, an electron is represented as E negative and proton as P positive. The mass of proton is taken as 1 unit and its charge as +1. The mass of an electron is considered to be negligible and its charge is -1. It seems highly likely that an atom was composed of protons and electrons, mutually balancing their charges. It also appeared that the protons were in the interior of the atom, for whereas electrons could easily be peeled off, but not protons. Now, the big question was, what sort of structure did these particles of the atom form? For explaining this, many scientists proposed various atomic models. J.J. Thomson was the first one to propose a model for the structure of an atom. J.J. Thomson, 1856 to 1940, a British physicist, was born in Cheetham Hill, a suburb of Manchester, on 18 December 1856. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1906 for his work on the discovery of electrons. Thomson's model of an atom. J.J. Thomson proposed that an atom consists of a positively charged sphere. The negatively charged particle, that is, electrons, are embedded in it. It is similar to that of a Christmas pudding. The electron in a sphere of positive charge were like currants, dry fruits in a spherical Christmas pudding. We can also think of a watermelon where the positive charge is the red edible part in the watermelon and the seeds are the electrons. Thomson also stated that the atom is electrically neutral as the negative and positive charge are equal in magnitude. Although Thomson's model explained that atoms are electrically neutral, the results of experiments carried out by other scientists could not be explained by this model.